In this video, we talk about Motorola Edge 50 Ultra versus Huawei Pure 70. Motorola Edge 50 Ultra launched on April 2024 with a price tag of $999. Huawei Pure 70 launched on April 2024 with a price tag of $800. The body dimensions is seemingly same and the weight of these devices. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 197 grams. The Huawei Pure 70 comes with 207 grams. The build Motorola Edge 50 Ultra front glass, wood back and aluminium frame, and the Huawei Pure 70 front and back glass and aluminium frame. And the both mobile come with dual SIM port. The display type of the devices, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with POLED 1 billion color screen type. The Huawei Pure 70 comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size of Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 6.7 inches, and the Huawei 70 comes with size 6.6 inches, and the board device comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI Dynasty Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 446, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with 460 PPI Dynasty. The refresh rate Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 144 Hz, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 92.1%, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with 90.1%. The Gorilla Glass protection in Motorola Edge 50 Ultra and the Huawei Pure 70 come with full glass too. The Huawei Pure 70 and the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra come with 2500 nits peak of brightness. The camera of the devices, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it records 4K 60 fps video. And the Huawei Pure 70 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide 1 inch sensor, and the 13 megapixel ultra wide 12 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it records 4K 30 fps video with main camera. The selfie camera of these devices, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 50 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps video record, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with 13 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The platform of the devices, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with octa-core CPU with Titan Big CPU. And the chipset, Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with Kirin 9010 7nm chipset. And the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with Adreno 735, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with Maloon 920 GPU. The operating system, Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with Android 14, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with Harmony OS 4. The memory of these devices, Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with 12GB RAM. And the internal storage, Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The Huawei Pure 70 comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Huawei Pure 70 4nm memory card. The battery of the devices, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 4500 mAh battery, and the Huawei Pure 70 comes with 4900 mAh battery, and the Huawei Pure 70 466 watt fast charging, and the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes for 120 watt fast charging, and the both mobile support 50 watt wireless charging, and it comes with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, and the result of the devices, the Huawei Pure 70 got 18 points, and the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra got 22 points.
It's tough.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough this